Welcome, welcome, welcome. If it's this Jammy Hood is on, welcome. If it's One King is on, welcome. To everyone that's watching, you are the one that make it possible for us. So hear me I say, you see that one that I want to know, watch it to the end. Cleanly. Because you see, hopefully, I tell you, what fire have in store for everybody going to be on release because we're going to earn money. Every month we are planning to do something special. So please share, like, send it to a friend across the islands anywhere. I could have Africa, GP. Yeah, I wonder how me have on the Rasta locks. Me I try to be a Rasta in our movie soon. And me go burn it down and burn it down and burn it down. But remember, subscribe.
You know, because boy not there though.
My cousin too.
No.
So you're who?
Him girlfriend.
I lie.
Yeah.
So I mean, say welcome to the family then, man. Nice to go sister. Natural too. Me tell him for us here too, you know. Because he become a natural empress. How you say? I still see you say?
Yeah, it's great.
You go walk. Watch any lollipop in your mouth. You're one good girl. You go make my cousin happy. You see you? You're one good girl. You go make my cousin happy. Yeah man. I'm take care of you though.
Yeah, man.
Better. Anyway, you pass where in there?
You know, stand up on the road, I'm gonna exactly sure though.
Me I come from cool Mandeville. But I want a hot cup of tea though. Me not, you see, I'm just cool. But you don't have tea today. Huh? You have tea?
No.
No make tea. Come on, come on, drink tea now.
Me no.
You not drink tea, so I know say you not have a tea business.
But the rest is no bush a drink.
Yeah, a bush tea more, man.
What if a bush water if you want it?
But I want some hot water.
Well, me can boil the bush water.
With some honey in it.
No, honey not there, just a bush.
Oh, God. If I just touch and look with your finger and it is so sweet. You ever said, I'm not looking at you, but I just have to compliment you because you want a sweet girl. Right?
Alright.
Yeah, man. You're a sister, right?
Yes.
Look just like a you.
Yeah.
Old enough like a you.
Older.
Older. Well, them say, all of the moon are bright, I shine then, so. If you are shine, so, me no want to see your sister, me go to blind.
She look good.
You go walk. But anyway, I pass through. When the old long one stay, think it take long?
No, sir. Well, you know, normally come in early now. Maybe you come in early. I don't know, maybe. You want to wait?
Yeah, we can wait and talk, man. Sit down there now. Now I want to guess what me stand up because you're ladies, you deserve a standing ovation. You know what I mean? So what your name though? Me know what your name?
Kayla.
Kayla. I'm fire.
Nice
They
to
call
meet
me Mark. A man of many names. I don't play many games though.
Ooh.
But you go walk.
Ooh.
But I believe that cause boy will take care of you know. Because the family rule is take care of beautiful ladies. It's a motto we have, that's all. Can't change. Right? Never change.
If you say so.
You put tattoo on your hand, you're a tattoo girl. So where you come from
Oh, you
directly?
spent so much something?
No, you see, I'm very observant. They used to call me observer. You know what I mean? Before me turn a
Y'all
star.
Gleena.
No. I'm not think so. I'm
Yeah,
thinking a
man.
star.
You see everything.
You go walk. So I say, where you come from the fellow?
You know, say,
You know, and tell me.
you can't vote for me like. More than 10 nights, but I don't really know you like that. I just see you first time.
But me and family, me
Well,
in love.
Well, ask cause boy we get
I can't ask us boy about you. You got things me I look you. And I'm just looking at you. When I look you.
Yeah, but me don't know you like that to tell me information.
Not tell me everything yet, man. Your sister will tell me about she. Me know about your sister then, right?
Okay.
Yeah, cause you know I go, me know I'm in trouble. This 10 kilos trouble just follow me everywhere I go. Everywhere I go trouble just follow me. I try
Maybe if
avoid
you see less.
but I'm blind if me not see. Me have to see.
Yeah, but you see too much, you are overdo it.
No, it can't be over, you know.
Yes, you
It
can.
have to be under, in, but not over. Me to in, me more of like in
Yeah.
than over.
It's kind of different now. We realize that.
Yeah, we there burn a weed a while ago. So my time burn a weed when we talk a lot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we do a lot of meditation too, right? So,
Okay. So you want some water? Like how you talk a lot.
yo, give me some water. Yeah, give me some water. Two people go color in it if I nothing. I want a slice of
Water
bread.
will upset one.
You know you can't give me. If you can't give me, take it.
Water.
Before your cousin,
Water.
come back. Anything.
Well, make a job to do.
Yeah, drop it down, man. We don't tell all the time. You're like a security, nothing pass. You have to push a stand your thing, you have a gun. Very country are running rough. Come. I cannot do no one. Come. Attack. I'm looking at one dog door instead of one puss. But the mosquito them out here bad.
See what they can. My granny still have to full up coffee to so. I carry them.
You grow with granny.
Yeah?
Let me see you can't cook then, man.
Oh yeah? I can do it too.
Why? Cause you eat the jackpot. Yeah, man, I tell you. Because you can't cook. Let me see you can wash too.
I grow with my granny.
Alright, oh yeah.
Wow, go on,
You there, man?
yeah, man. You have a nice one here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. She has been very, very polite.
One baby.
Yeah, man.
You good?
We love see love, you know.
Alright.
We love see love.
So you go do?
Yeah, man, we there.
Yeah, come on, fire road. You know how much.
Yo, this I come up from my man, Deville.
Eh?
You want to show you 100. More talk to cause boy. We soon get back to you. Remember, the conversation too hot. You might burn
Give me some
you.
water, save me as well, yeah?
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah, man. How you find out when I boy?
You know what
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You say you have something, you can line me up and
Yeah. You go walk.
go walk. I tell us, yo, oh my God, cook you.
You come and tell me.
You can blend. Make it to me such a.
Yeah, man.
Look good for you, me.
Mono no sick about you there. but they hear about
You know,
it.
see, pani
We see
social
it
media,
on the
man.
door. Oh, let me see look give me see
On the
look
social media
the food, let me see the food them. Yeah. But for my time it does. No every time you see as a Rastafari when I sight up Babylon system and not to go to foreign items. So I go bam and zip through the social media.
Yeah.
I'm not time too long on it. So I saw food on it and I see one and two pictures said there but I don't carry on it. Because
Yeah,
it took up too much time.
Because mama do thing, you know. I tell you, I see her. I see her. I do this a girl, yeah. But you say, mama come in, mama say, wash,
But
clean up and
we're not
everything.
talking about the wash and the cooking. That one look like she's very experienced. She look like them type of girl the way we climb the mountain and flip over back and spin 2 times. She just look like she's active. So she move on. So she you know,
Yeah.
she active.
Yeah, see, well.
Yeah, she active.
You see
she
it well.
active. She active.
She's great.
Active. Yeah man, a good girl.
Yeah, man.
She have sister and something there. So we'll try to get the sister there.
You want my sister?
Yeah, we'll try to get one of them.
Man, we can put in 2 words. We are cousin, you know, man.
Yeah man, they can't
So
walk
you mean, man, the family
Can't walk.
share.
Yeah man. Bye
Can I come now?
Yeah.
Long time.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, where's the now? Yeah. Yeah, man. So I do them thing, yeah, man. I do the life, you know. When do we here?
Life is good.
You know, the family, I will do one good thing, you know. So that's the reason part when I still have some work. I do the same way. So I said, let's go have a family reunion.
After when?
I'm not sure the date yet. Let me sweets. You know, see a girl there?
I tell you, man,
Very
nice.
kind. A very kind girl. You know how long I get not give me nothing?
Between me and I talk or something in about in private, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Go.
can give me, yeah, man, can give me some time.
Come on.
I'm not going to you one try.
No, we can't hear because it's not going to be surprised.
Wedding bell.
I know I must be planning to engage to it.
Yeah. Risky.
Risky, but you have to try out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Where the neighbor? The neighbor not normal, you know. When not there, sure. Nobody not there. Happy, you know.
She happy about me, no, coming out there. If I ain't see where I no see, no leave.
You not the bill go where?
No, because she was there, me don't like a girl.
No, not bad. You can't leave you lock.
Because he like,
Because matter when the bonner man come in, he will lock the grill kind of thing, say when lock kind of member. That's a sign. Think about it, man. That's what we think about. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. A life door.
but I don't say, you know. Up there still just come off my road. Me walk in, me see somebody, me say, wait, the fire that.
Yo, man, they better run good though. Up there right now,
Mm.
I have a nice girl up there. I want make a move. Because my daughter, she reach 5 you know. She have a hotel what the and thing. But right now, I have a girl up a mandible, I'm tell you say, I can something just come out of a plastic, fresh,
Nice.
chopped in,
Looking
nice,
good.
looking good.
I understand, man.
Then I there for a while now. You know what I mean? But
So she a treat her good?
yeah, she treat me good, but
Oh.
I want a youth for her. But right now she hold me off, so I have to wait till she's 25. And she's just 20. Virgin. Now the first man go there. Right? Them type of principal girl, man. I say principal with a K and a P. Yeah, man. May I tell you. Well, principal, the girl.
When you touch 24, you're breathing. So you pick the band at 2025.
So me there. So when I say alright then, I tell her mom, I say, Mama, you know, I go to celibacy for 1 2 years. That means anytime you catch the time, if you catch the time now, I go right full dose. So maybe one flip, if I 4 pit now, a fliplet?
Yeah, flip it.
Yeah.
Flip it, cause 3 a triplet.
Yeah, so 3 after a fliplet, 1 4 plate. Yeah man, something like that. I want to deal with, you know what I mean? So that is it. So me a plan for her, you know. Me a plan for her because she a hold it out and she has a fire for her alone, you know. Take it, when we get it, and when left it there, said we tell her to wash it, turn it down, like I'm doing and so. Nobody teeth.
Nobody teeth.
Yeah man,
See,
so.
So make sure nobody teeth, you know what
What me do now? I left 2 dogs on the place.
Then, dog, can you help you know?
No, when we say dog, we don't mean dog with 4 foot.
Oh,
we mean dog
from
with
Jenna.
2 foot. Yeah, not man dog, female dog, whole dog, young dog, some different type of people. Them, when they make the move, nobody not even know. Them silent. So any movement, them go link me upon the bird. And you know the bird, I'm say bird.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, they link me upon the bird and
the year was gone. So she better step on the safe part. She got one party from what day she gonna be a party, but I be a family party. 'Cause up there she have a big family. So every day them have one different family. This a birthday party, and that one have a birthday. And them was a country celebrate birthday party, so you could make a fortune.
And we know that, so I'm going to have a birthday party.
But so up there,
See?
every day the birthday party.
So that means
the
we go pass you one at a time, man.
Like a dance.
We go pass you one
Like
at a
a
time.
family reunion. So this one I keep birthday party, bodyguard over there. So I left her gonna one birthday party. Right now she gonna one birthday party.
And she enjoy herself,
But
big
yeah,
mood, right?
so I say, you have your birthday party this weekend, yeah? Now that nigga for the weekend, yeah. You stay with the family, I only my family, come here, some work down here. Plus I check the family, man, okay, everybody alright. So I say, I come check you. You know, you know you find down here.
You know, some woman saying her date.
Rough. What you do? Now wait till she ready. Slide tackle her. Before she know anything, you pile her. So when them say, man, you know, say she, bam, you score. You know, say then you can say, come on for the gilding chuck. Kind of look good. You know what I mean?
That's true, man.
You look good. The whole horizon with the par as cousin. And you're the only one that said upon the gilding chuck. So you need to up our fight. You know what I mean? That look something that there. Make it work. Because they say, too young and fertile, you them go come with enough things. Just watch, make sure she eat good food. That means the youth come with them come strong. You know what I mean? She not go sicky. See, if she not eat food, she go sicky.
Me understand, man. That's why I make sure she, alright, you buy what she want.
Yeah, man, that is it.
The only thing.
After all, I link my sister to, you know. I link her bad me a circle. Some just get a fast link, because you know it's a long time.
Me, man.
But more there tomorrow, more there for a while, man. So me go page you.
Alright.
Set speed, right? Even tomorrow evening more page you, because I do some work in idea. So now at night, them a time or something, circle you back.
Yeah, man, as soon as we come off our road, just come give you a link.
Alright.
Alright, let's see our road.
You go
Same
home.
journey, yeah?
We go home.
Alright.
Alright. What's the grill? Remember it, you know?
Oh, wait, eat a meat grill.
If you left it open, and you can't see it locked.
Oh, see it there.
Alright.
Alright. Same journey, yeah?
Alright. Go walk.
Go walk.
Bye.
I'll go with you. Come inside. What can I say, lad?
Wow.
You don't give him a biscuit in front of me and give water. So imagine when me gone, what you give? Look at this, man. No, play with me here. You know me already. As a matter of fact, who you inviting me for?
The man up on the veranda.
No, man, you can stay outside. You know that already. That's how the grill lock. Me don't want no man in the yard. Only somebody come here, me and a woman. Me tell you that.
So tell him your cousin, tell him.
But are you inviting me and not me?
Me not even
If I'm here,
tell
I'm
him
going to
my
stay outside.
family member, me don't know him.
Don't raise your voice at me, yeah? And next time, don't do that.
Tell your cousin don't come back then.
Okay, next time when he come and you invite him in, when he got a problem, you don't want that. And don't speak when I'm speaking.
Alright, sir.
And go on your bed too, man. I don't know I'm doing.
This is just that talk. This brought me good vibes.
Yes, that we broke.
Yes,
You don't want no man in the yard, let me tell you.
Not tell him
You don't want invite nobody.
tell him.
You don't want
I mean,
nobody in the yard,
I
me say.
mean, come for are you? Which one are we? Me or you?
Almost you, because you want me to see a top.
The man that first man is me, the man that even know me. I hear family member tell don't come back.
Say anybody come in my yard, them stay outside. Talk to them through the grill. Don't invite them in.
Simple tell them don't come.
No, if me there, you know, come here. But when you invite people here,
So you say you're trying to say the person I see the first time. I mean invite him here.
of course. If I'm here on the outside, you see, I know that.
You're very smart. You're very smart.
I know, man.
Yeah.
Go on here, babe. Let me tell you.
Yes, I'm in it more.
Kayla,
Now watch my face, my mom.
come here.
Now watch my face.
I said come here.
Mr. Watch my face. It's like they can't wait. Where you are? Where you are?
So we never do no way today.
Ah, he made me not some brown sugar.
So what?
Brown sugar.
Don't tell me say never come and make brown sugar. What kind of style you put on?
The money that
Don't do that. When you give me the sugar, what do you use?
the man take a little bit of sugar. Let me like a can buy.
You see you? You see you? You see me do something bad? Yeah, that make you a joke.
See that
Make you a joke.
We are push before.
So the means the man come, say him go buy sugar. Don't give me no my sugar.
Tell him next time.
See me, that mean come back.
Me too.
I mean back. Come here. You say come in back.
What's the minute night with it tonight?
You see you? You are tasting face, yeah? You are tasting face.
Very rude.
Everybody come and give them something. Because you come here and say you give him something.
And your cousin, your family.
Today.
You
You
look
come
at
back sugar.
How you going then?
Never come back sugar.
For that joke, don't start.
Eh? Never come back sugar, eh? Never come back sugar, eh? Never come back sugar, eh? Me tell you man, don't play with me. Me don't want to give nobody nothing over here.
Sir, should I have your supper?
What me say? Me don't want nobody come back nothing. And them walk feet. You just walk like a man thing.
I mean, bad. You mean.
And that's why they love me.
Oh.
You see how quick?
Listen, as soon as me find somebody better than you, you're gone, me gone. Maybe you're your cousin, me take too.
One more. Let's see what. Fucking here. Yo! There, man. Forward now.
Tell the boy, I don't survive, man.
That's it, man.
Go on, man. First thing
Yeah,
go
boy.
on.
What are you work?
Yes, I go on, man. It's a project we get to know, cause
So they pay good. Can make sure they pay good.
yeah, man, they pay good, man.
Okay.
Them are technical work, them, you know.
Hmm.
Technical is I work with the one, cause right now the photo them, photo me I do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you about for more. They do some photo. So it's like they have somebody take a picture of overseas. The big star them like the Rihanna them, you know what I mean, them sexy girl there.
Yeah.
And then them send it to me and me fix it and send it to the magazine company. So
You say good then, man.
yeah man. Yeah man, so you work good man. So what we work coming there now is photography, editing.
Oh.
Yeah man, so my time the artists them from overseas, the big artists them fly to Jamaica.
Send a picture. Take a picture and send you.
Some of them take the picture, send to me edit it and thing.
But you take
some of
something
them
yourself?
fly in a country, low key.
You just do
I'm just take a picture for them and do some baby shoot. We do a whole lot of big international shoot.
So all them pictures them here, say how you do them.
Some of them.
Good work you do, man. You
Yeah
look
man, we are doing it but you see the one who behind the camera and who be editing, you know, see them you know.
good. And somebody will out there.
As somebody so we just do what we have to do for a part. So we have a good life and all smart. It's not like first time, you know what I mean? So life I live good, so they are going to road to the place that way. So at some photo I'm gonna have to take. You know what I mean?
You understand, man?
Yeah man, so
You have to do what you have to do for survive in the car. Nobody not do it for you.
right now we have a guest. A rock house. $1 million people them. Rich people them for a millionaire them. So if the rich people them for them thing different, exclusive shot we have time with them. So I like how when I catch her 2 o'clock tonight, I have to drive go down there. So man, early shoot with them for the sunrise up. So I'm going to pass through.
Take it a sunset shoot.
Sunset shoot and
Okay.
sunrise shoot and all I shoot them. It's different scenery. So, how are your girlfriend here, Mrs. Pa?
You know, say I do the car.
You do look at her eye. You try to be careful.
You be tell her, say, you can't walk on now, look. Because we get this talk, and she just boom in the door.
She angry door. Like she makes the door. She like she papa the door.
Yeah, man, she makes the door, man. Mama!
Come in, one cousin-in-law.
Ah,
You see the door. You see. Cause you must burn the door.
Yeah, I'm going to take off it. Take off it, man.
Cause if you do shut up your eyes up and make your eye look so. Cause yesterday was such a beautiful girl. I understand how today door. See door? To my time say open doors.
it's in dark.
Then in the dark, you want more light in the den.
Till the cousin.
Yeah, put some light now, make them show walking out my door.
Alright.
Yeah man.
So by the way, how are you reaching here? How will it be?
No, your husband let me know.
Which was...
You go walk. So what me I say though? What I said? I said to you now. Do not be so careless, Lisa. Don't be so careless. When you walk in, because you know, the Dan go plan to get her pregnant, you know. You know how walk in a one place and bounce the belly and lose the baby.
I remember. Tell the cousin, I buy more light.
In a place.
And then we tap me so stingy.
Alright. It looks like we have a lot to talk about and discuss.
No, sir, no, no, tap, but I can stay.
Ready for this?
We
No,
can't.
sir, you can stay.
No, we can't stay. I have work.
Oh,
I am a photographer.
Oh.
Yes, I have a late shoot tonight to a morning. But I work not easy, you know, but it pays though. It pays a pretty penny.
So where you work?
I work from hotel to hotel and I work with the big star them. Tell me which artist, what is your favorite artist?
Overseas?
Yeah. Nicki Minaj.
No, sir, correct me like.
You like Cardi B?
Yeah, offset, you know.
Offset. But when me I said though, Nicki Minaj are my girl. And Rihanna. Yeah man, I them picture them take. Yeah man, so even Cardi B too. I would like to take her picture. No, take her picture yet, but I want to take her picture.
I don't think you get the autograph from me.
Yeah man, you can't walk man. So I just them picture me take and 3 superstar them. They are made not a pop star, you know. With the official photographer. Yo,
Yeah,
me go make you go and do that.
Alright.
You go down and open one baby, you know.
Yeah, man, I will tell you. Alright.
Which be a...
Make the cousin them come out healthy, you know, make them come out blind.
I'll joke you my girl, man.
Alright, thank you comedian then.
Yeah, come back tomorrow.
Maybe.
Alright, let's go over here.
Hold it down.
Find out. No, stop when I talk here.
No, I'm not telling you me a good. Girl, me say girl, me have something to tell you. So you know this boy me a doctor from one month. Me say, me don't follow the boy love between fool or what. Me say every day as somebody come, the boy start beat me like for no reason. Just tell me what they have to beat me because me do a man go sugar. Me can't, me don't know what to say. Girl, me a leave. No, people love one can't strong so me a leave. Me can't think, girl, you want to be hiding. No, me not stay here. Me can't, me a go. Me don't even go to the cousin because I better somebody than him. Me no busy for 2 nights, me know me because I better somebody. Me can't stand him. Reach up me tell ya.
I need to buy a phone. Let me see your phone. You see your phone I wrote?
Pull it!
Which girl is that?
If me tell you, I go no.
So where you tell her on your phone?
Brother, just come talk.
Me tell you, you talk to nobody on the phone, yeah?
So
ask permission if you want me to
yeah,
talk.
now. Look at me doing now. You lick me over sugar, brown sugar. You lick me over your cousin when I want to know him.
You know what time now? Bedtime.
Oh, me nah, listen nah. Nah. I don't even know if
Go on your bed.
Stop talking to me. I'm getting fed up by you now, brother. I'm getting
Go on
tired.
your bed.
Stop talking to me.
I'm becoming one front. 100% so forward. Yes. Come here now. I'm not saying I'm willing to beat you. You know me love you and thing. But you say something sometime I'm in a lie. So I have to use my hand there. Come here, man. You want to bust around? Hmm? Talk to me.
I'm going to say no, you're talking.
Kayla!
Alright.
You still asleep, man? You don't see daylight.
What you want now?
Well, like you don't know say any, but you don't know my voice, man.
What you want?
Asleep, and they asleep.
Yeah.
I'll look for sugar and come and beg you.
I don't know sugar for you. Last time I gave you sugar, I end up with suffer.
No, man. What do you mean you have to suffer?
No.
Listen, man. It's on to us. Hold on.
The owner for the house, I'm not going to tell nobody. Still.
No, man. Kevin, I'm
Me
a
say
virgin.
still. Yeah.
Kevin, I'm a G.
No.
Alright, since you cannot give me each sugar, then give me the salt, then.
You want the whole house?
Just look at salt, man.
You want sugar, you want salt. Go and take your house.
But you're good, though?
Yes.
Alright.
Aye.
Like your eyes, and Miss Kevin, I name a friend, boy.
Aye.
You go walk.
This boy can't wait me.
Yeah, man. Kevin! Girlfriend! Kevin! I'm a cousin-in-law. Who they are?
Boy. The people always choose to come in there. May I come? How me put on?
Yeah, man. 2 million though. 2 million. 2 million though. Yeah, man. 2 million. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to meet now. So, don't forget out. Tell Riri, say, look at time and go up on us. Look at time. Look at time. Sorry about that. Just give me a delay. Now, I'm going to edit it tonight. Alright? Alright. How you doing, cousin-in-law? My favorite cousin-in-law.
Maybe a cousin laughing. I'm much stronger.
What's wrong?
Your cousin now work out for me right now.
What is he doing to you?
Man, stay with you. I'm getting you because she can't man come right say I want to give to her.
Anyway, we're talking here because people love watch us too much and watch the business too much. You don't like people. Alright, good place I look so much still. Alright, so, oh. Well, I'm tired of seeing from what you We do a show to Chris Brown them thing, you know. Flag at Miami, so no lot more down here for still. That time I tell me because me I go still, I see me a link you too. You one nice little girl like that, is it? So all life though, differently.
Apart from my really for your cousin.
So you really want more of it too?
Yes, I can't see you no longer.
So when you go, where you go?
That may try to go. Hey, if me stay down here so either me kill him or him kill me, God no.
Alright, it's kind of sad though. But for the first time I see you still, my eyes tell me that you're supposed to be somewhere with part of my Rasta. For real. I'm going to love you and cherish you. I'm not touch you like this. I'm touch you like that or something.
Hey.
Because I'm massage, you know, it's good for your giant stomach.
Alright, my name come on top me, but yeah, okay, man.
Listen now. I got to move from down here. I'm moving out right now. I'm driving back home. The part the car I can't wash, but then I wash it now because you can't drive a Benz and it's dirty. You know what I mean? You have to drive it and it's clean. So I wash it, I can't wash. So I can get a fast page and go. But if you're really in a situation where you have to run away, we can move right now.
We do?
Right now we can go up and
Me not come, me not even inch down.
but I'm not gonna reach Mandeville till 2 days later. We're gonna stop at some hotel.
It don't really matter me once me done from this cross.
Come here, one because picture we're gonna take this on the people. You know what I mean? So.
Hear me say it don't really matter once me gone far from
Alright,
Kevin.
get the things them. We'll call somebody. Get the things them. I'm going to put a card.
Me go them back already in her friend.
Alright, get them together. Yeah, one thing I can do for me now. I got to be at the hotel by XYZ. I got to be at the hotel by 7 o'clock tonight. Yeah, but I'm leaving from now. I'm going to leave from now. So I think I'm going to reach you on good timing. So get me a luxurious room and I need a date down by the spa for my female. I need her to get a good massage and get her foot shell and her face shell and her back shell and her bumper shell and her rib shell together. Let's tell me the cost. Put it on my top.
Come over
Alright?
come here.
Come on.
Me not come back here so that no, it's a boy across.
Then come back.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night. Doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the
Oh, I forgot something.
Let me take it off higher. Wow, you're beautiful. Where you from?
Manchester.
Wow. Pretty girl, I think. Want to sit?
Yeah, sure.
My God. Far from the heaven. A pretty girl like you watching around here.
Yeah.
Are you single?
Yes, ma'am.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It's like I don't know, you know, because my last relationship was like up and down, up and down.
I would say the same.
You know, I'm here chilling, you know, cooling out. So we're in Manchester yesterday.
Mandeville.
Oh, Cool Mandeville.
Yes.
But this is Cool Mandeville. This is where I come and hang out, you know. Because I do my business online and do everything
Well, I'm
online.
just seeing it. First I'm seeing you around here.
First you see me?
Yeah.
I see you barging around, like you're busy. I think you work here.
No, I don't. So why you just choose to call to me? Why you didn't call to me before?
Because at first I didn't have your attention, but you come here and drop the flowers. The flowers fell from you, so I just said, okay, this is a chance to,
You know, see me drop the flowers just to get your attention.
You're not saying. For real?
Yeah.
Just to get my attention? Girl, you have my attention from the body to the shape. It's like, I would want to call you at the first time, but I was paying attention to something important. The moment you felt the flowers there, I said, oh, so this is it. So, you want to stay here and chill with me?
Yes, no problem.
You don't have to go home. I have clothes. I can go take you shopping or something.
Yeah, okay.
I like your smile, though.
Thank you.
You smile like the sun. You see, look, I can't even look up in the sky.
Thank you.
You remind me of the night star.
Thank you. For the links door.
No, it's not lyrics. It's a fact. Because you're shining like the sun.
Oh.
Right now you got my body shaking.
Where is that so?
Yeah, because I'm nervous.
Oh.
It's like JPS current.
Okay.
It's like if you mix
wow.
220 and 110 together.
Oh.
Great problem.
That's nice.
Yeah. So, are you thinking about starting a future business?
Yeah.
Like?
I plan on going into the army. You know.
Well, to tell the truth about the army, it's not easy in there.
I know it's not, but it's what my heart desires, you know.
Okay, so you want us to take a swim though?
No, I can't swim, so I'll just pass it.
Can't you?
No, cannot.
Period?
Yeah, I cannot.
Or if you want to come to my room,
Yeah, no problem.
have a drink down there if you can't swim. We swim in my room. You
Okay.
want to swim in my room?
Okay, sure.
Let's go swim in my room.
Yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. I'm in a trance, spinning out of control.
Okay, come in. Me casa, you casa. This is where I stay. This is my little humble room I buy here. Don't mind the two beds still enough.
How you have two?
It was jammed together but too big, so I
Okay.
just separated. And sometimes I have my business friend come over, so I let them sleep over there because we do business online, make a lot of money online. So, anyway, still, what kind of business you want to know? Because we ask your future plan, and I have the money, can do anything for you. What's the future plan?
As I told you earlier, I want to be a soldier, right? But it's kind of hard. So I will just do an online business, sell clothes and stuff.
Oh, sell clothes and stuff. That's not bad still. For a good smart start. But anyway, still, if it's that you want to do, no problem. Just stick with me, everything will be okay.
Okay, so that's the bathroom. Can I borrow it?
I told you before, me casa, you live here now. So go and get it. Wow, it's sexy though. You go walk. You go walk. Damn! Look at me now!
Don't know of this dancing, but at least I'm not dancing.
Kayla, baby! Babes. Baby. Let me see you move on. So you're not cheating, right? Babes. But you have to find a better man than that, say. Babe, just come more. Yeah, beg you. We do everything to get you back. We do everything for you. But you say now come back. He doesn't be foolish and come home, bro. You say this man a cheater, right? But that doesn't mean me love you. I don't love you, and me love you. I think you can pay for it.
Alright, guess I was where I stay, right?
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah, so this is it, you know?
I still have my live here alone.
Yeah, but not anymore though.
Aww.
Alright, so. Yeah, I'll show it. So this is the bedroom. Yes, so.
So what about the next room?
Oh, some people belongs in it, yeah, so. Some people stuff. It's a long story, but we just overcross that.
Okay. So can I put it in my bag, right?
No, I don't know about mine. My place or your place, you know? Yeah, so. Most of the things I can't go in the closet around here, so I'll put them in my place. A walk-in closet in the bathroom.
Wow.
Yeah, what's that? It's a long journey though. From you to come up here.
It was quite experienced though. Yeah,
When we see I take picture of everything you see I go on out that door, you know?
you know me, a female stuff. Like, yeah.
Yeah. So it's the first time coming so far?
Yeah, like, I mean, I really got old because my antisocial and stuff. But like, when I meet you know, and yeah, I can go sometime.
Yeah, I'm an inside person too. I love the inside.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. What's on your mind?
Honestly, a lot of stuff.
You know how wild it could get to love and emotional.
Yeah man, call Larry, but in here so the signal not pick up so good. Go out in the hall and do that.
Okay.
Where we go? Go up on the road tonight, go eat or you go cook?
I can cook.
Alright, so we'll do that then. So make a call and get yourself situated and relax cause the journey call if you want 2 minutes, cool off.
True. I'm ready for you first.
Yeah man, none of them things I can do. We have to call a friend first.
No, my bed and call her because I didn't. No. Yeah, better me just bed, then cook and then call her.
You better
You're not hungry?
call her now.
You not hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
Okay, I'll call her.
Alright, I'm not confuse you. If you say one bed then, alright, bed first then. I'm gonna go and take a 5 bed and then call her. Then if you don't feel like cooking, you change your mind, we can go to the town and get something.
Alright.
Right?
Okay.
I'll be sure there. Hot water do it, right?
Oh, okay.
Alright.
You got me, baby, I'm your.
My finished bed is still hungry?
No, I know. We're kinda good, but we can go in the town and get something to eat.
Alright, I'll call my friend and find out which and I'm on the should live first. And then like,
Yeah
on the
man,
way.
ask her if you know and nowhere nice we can go and get something to eat. You know what I mean? Somewhere good.
Okay. But you said the signal in here don't what's enough.
Alright, yeah, but call here. Yeah, make a call. Make the call inside of the living room. You know, so signal not good for you.
Okay.
Alright. Look sexy though.
Thank you.
Alright.
Me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't
Hey girl. Hey. So, I ended up coming on Mandeville with my boyfriend. And I didn't want to try to Mandeville to live. So we link up.
Believe my Marshall and
Honestly, I don't know each other that name because you know me don't really go out. But my boyfriend must know places, so he may take me there. By the way, you know no good restaurant because he won't go up on the road.
Yeah, girl, ultimate.
Okay.
Check it out.
Okay. Alright, then we call you.
Alright.
So, I get tired and she said we can try Ultimate, that's at the restaurant. I'm met her about the meetup.
Push up the door.
Oh.
Come here. Make yourself comfortable. Yeah. So you're not tired?
Not really. I'm just excited to see my friend, but like when we're online, I just want to see her. And you remember say, oh, she did you remember the guy we did that talk that a year cousin? They know each other, you know? They did a friend.
Oh. Yeah, man, that's in the past, though. So it's time to look for the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, because normally I can't recall when a sexy nice girl like you actually approach me and find me interested. To actually, well, I mean, I think it's ever possible for one girl actually look me until you come along. So you set me up on my feet, right? So I think it's a good look though, you know what I mean? I'm here now because I was working down there just to finish some projects, and if I haven't walked out of that office and run up into you, would I never have that conversation? Because I saw you with my cousin, but I didn't get involved in my personal life and ask how we're doing. And when they start explaining to me and you show me the bruises, you know what I mean? And I say, "Alright, that, you know," and then, but
As I said, the past is the past, so
let's look to the future.
yeah.
Let's look to the future, because
Life goes on, yeah. Life
Yeah.
goes on.
your life goes on. That's good. That's a good, message to put out there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So no matter what you buck up on,
Life
goes
con-
on.
Yeah, life continues.
Yeah, man, so I'm gonna hold a shower too. I take a shower with you, Just think about it. But then go and bother it, come and say feel a bit tired. And Jane, I'm gonna get to all fresh, and then
You go for the road?
we both go on the road and see if we find that restaurant and do what we have to do. Alright?
Okay.
So tomorrow we can go sightseeing around the area and see what's going on differently. You know what I mean? Tomorrow we can go around the area and see what's going on.
Okay.
Alright?
Oh, and remember because of my fruit. Like she's supposed to go come over.
Alright, when you come over, I say, but remember, I am a man that work very hard. So some of the times then you're gonna be here by yourself. But
That's okay. I can call her over too because
yeah, when you're there by yourself, you can invite a friend over to keep a company for some of the case. But I am a person that believes in working very hard to achieve things. By the time I reach a certain age in life, I don't want to be working, right, for no one. I want to own my own company and married and settle down and get the kids them and all those stuff.
kids.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna want some kids from you. The eyes and them something there.
Oh my god.
I have continue.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You have the greatest laugh, Bring joys to my soul. Yeah, it's true.
Man.
Yeah, like a smile, you know what I mean? 1 in a million. You know what I mean? Bring joy to the world and the soul, you know? Yeah, so anything. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna hold a shower and then we go on the road and see if we get something to eat.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Cuz,
Wait. Hello.
cousin inside.
Who's your cousin?
Mark,
Oh yeah.
you can call me back, please.
Mark is being rude.
Okay,
You wanna come inside and wait?
sure, no problem.
Wait, what's your name by the way?
Tell me it's Ricky.
Mark!
His rich cousin, Ricky.
Alright, I'm going to ask Mark, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Mark! Give me a second, okay? He's bathing, so I gotta go.
Okay, no problem. Hello? Yes, babe, when I test me, I got my cousin. Young man didn't come up on Monday, alright, hold on.
They said you can come in with me.
Okay, no problem.
Mike! Mike!
Yes, babe.
Your cousin is inside waiting.
My dad, what going on, man?
What, cuz?
You just come in that place, you know.
I saw me earlier, so I said me a home, you know?
You're just touching with your girlfriend.
What?
Yeah, man.
You be that?
Yeah, man, for real.
Well, I'm going to tell you, cuz, you know, say me have one day. Problem, you know, man.
That's how I go, you know. Well, you know, that's how I go with them sitting there now. You want to know, I shower, I just want to shower. And the road, I want to push up, have dinner with her. You know, say, I want my next cousin down, so they have her. But the man that killed her really can't do it and now treat her good. And she, my restaurant. You know what I mean?
Oh, so.
Yeah, man. Nice girl, very educated and thing, but just the wrong place at the wrong time for me, that the cousin there. Man, enough to take care of woman, man. So anyway, she there now, more fix her up and make sure she's nice and cool. Clean too, she come clean up the place and everything, this is a good look, you know what I mean?
Alright.
But you have a good woman too, you know, daddy. Remember, me give her one day.
Daddy, you see that one the way you give me? Me, I think that's too much confusion. A good girl now, we still have to left her. She got one more, but talking about that, you know, say me meet one few days ago. On the post side, the girl draw my attention. I said, yeah. Me and I live there now. Cope with it.
Yeah.
But you kind of go boring a little bit. Now, box.
I go tell you a chick. Use a pin and juke her. If they want to jump, it juke her. You know what I mean? They can't lose. Jammy Wood. You go walk. You're not there now. I go up on the road now. But then at the place compared to tomorrow, that's the reason. Tonight, if she fresh come, just carry come, one drive around the town and make sure I go on. And make sure eat something nice and calm her down to calm her down for stress and pain. Yeah, what? Keep on your link tomorrow. You know what I mean? Because you know everything go. So, everything good. So. You want to spend tomorrow, man?
Say I'm the rich cousin?
No, you are one. That's what you deal with. I'll pay you. Right?
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, man. I'll pay you.
Yeah, man.
Burn it up. There, get ready now. Get ready for push on here.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why.
So, baby, remember my friend Tina, what did I tell you about?
Tina, you meet her, man. You meet her, yeah.
So our boyfriend, like she said she found a boyfriend and I keep her dance and she did ask if I can go. I tell her say yes cause she did ask if you want me to ask you if I can go. I tell her say you're really controlling like that and yeah. So me go, you alright?
I don't think I want a good idea though. When is the party?
Tuesday.
Tuesday one day like that. I don't think you ever go Tuesday. Cause Tuesday I have to work one night, so I'm not out today.
You know if I come?
I don't want you out like a one party break out. You will drink?
It's a party and
Babe, I know when you're drinking or you're acting up. I don't want you at a party drinking. But
Like-
if I'm not there to see that everything
I'm
good.
a best friend and she got there something I think now.
I don't care if you're best friend or sister, your cousin, could have been a mommy. As long as I'm gonna drink there, I want to be there. So that if you want to dance, you can
Listen.
dance on me.
Listen, I'm going there if you like it or not. So, good night.
Why you have to be like that?
Good night.
I'm saying you cannot go.
Listen, I wasn't asking you. I was telling you I'm going. I'm gonna ask, is it?
You need
No, I need to sleep. Have a nice night.
Losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less.
I let that one name there. Yeah. I ain't trying to beat you, my friend. Alright? Alright. Later. See you soon. Love you. Coming! I said coming! Sure.
Is my cousin in?
No. You wanna wait till this one?
Sure.
Okay. Can I offer you anything to drink?
Well, what time is it?
Water? Mom, juice, like, you want any juice?
Yeah.
I need to take the water out.
Yeah.
I take the water out. So you can say thanks.
Thanks for the beauty come from there. Can I say thanks, yeah, look.
Thanks.
I got more stuff.
So you won't talk about no?
So you come from?
Negro, what about you?
Foreign?
Yeah, Negro, where come from?
Where you come from? So which part of Nigeria you come from?
Like, I really know there since like about 2 months ago, I moved there and with my ex-boyfriend. But then in a work out, so me and him did break up and then me meet your cousin and we didn't move come here.
Wow. You know what I said? Talking about my cousin. And I was tell you, you're beautiful. I'm gonna take you up and take care of you.
Oh, thank you.
I have the money.
Well, as you know, I don't really the money. Me look for a guy and I don't really like your cousin. Like he's okay. And like I don't like seeing him come a money man or anything. Me just want somebody who you know want me like how I want them and can take care of me. That's it.
Yeah, me understand that. One I call me one friend. You know what?
You can find one out there someday.
You can think about it. This thing kind of tastes like, you know,
You want more?
it go work.
You want more?
Now I'm gonna take my leave because you don't want me. So I'll see you next time. Hope you keep it considered. You know?
Okay, let me show you.
No, I can't show myself up. You know, bro. A beauty like you. Girl, you got it. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it.
Whatever.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why.
So girl, oh my Katrina.
Girl, then get one.
I said you there with Kevin first. Now you're there with Mark.
Girl, you know, man, this
So how you feel for there with two cousins? Come on, Mary and Kevin first did that.
girl, me just never like him like that. And me like Mark now, so. Kevin just need enough for me. Kevin did a whole lot. You see?
Okay. So how you like man do now do? Love when you come down and come so that me can start go out and stuff.
Girl, compared to nigger at her up here so cool, so it way better. And plus, you know, I'm gonna party me can go out and you know, what plan me finish pretty today. So, how is life? For
Life
you?
alright, you know. Just glad to me alive. You know?
Back it truth.
Yeah.
So, you find a man yet?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend is.
Pass your plan again. Oh, anyway, why not tell me about him?
You know, I name James. But
Thank you.
yeah, of course.
Hello.
But
Yeah,
I
with
never
James.
want to know a boyfriend, you know. Just
So
to
I
be a
had-
game match, right? You know. See
Oh,
how
yeah,
it
with him.
work out.
How you meet him?
At a hotel.
Hello.
Yes, girl.
Naman?
Uh-huh.
How much?
45.
Girl, I should have the look.
No, but then just more mature.
Oh. Girl, Constant, tell me more about him, yeah?
Well, you know, you're rich.
Eh?
Yeah, man, I've asked him for nothing.
Rich
Give me
man, hello?
everything. Of course. Can't but that little youngster them.
That's true. That's the
Why?
one mark.
Yeah, girl, can't but that with them at all.
I understand.
Talking about this and that, girl. My boyfriend, I keep some of my mansion, you know.
Hello.
Why, if you come as best friend, ask Mark if I can come, you know.
No, girl, I could go as girl, man, I have to ask him. You know, you're not controlling or nothing.
Alright, girl, tell you know, see you safe with me and thing. But I want to up there as best friend. Keep me company, you know. Yeah. So, make sure you follow, you know.
Girl, I must know man devil. I'm not even chat you live, so you have to come pick me up.
Not a problem, girl. You know, we comfy already. Mm-hmm.
So, girl, while you just cut you know, me go fit just so it's going, you know?
Girl, you know, I want me wear the same thing.
Hello.
Yes,
girl. Woo. So like how we could just say, I see my boyfriend was saying I'm going just like it.
No, I'm cool with that, man. I'm gonna say a big man, mature.
Achoo. I'm not like a little idiot boy that might take up everything for anything.
Right.
So, we want to talk about it now.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears in the light.
Where have you done, so what's wrong? Come we talk to you for a minute. One more day, the attitude, you know. Come here. What job? You see, every time I talk to you, just listen enough. You overwork yourself, you know.
I'm not
You
enough for you.
overwork yourself, you know. You want me, you want a hot young maid?
I'm not enough for you. Why should I feel?
No. But not about me, I just clean the place.
No, sir. You're a man, you have to do things. Yes, a relationship, and you know, my female for relationship, me have to do what me have to do.
Alright, so, me know from since lately, you're there, you feel like you're house mouse and I've been working very hard, but I'm working on the future, right? It's not about me idling, right? Plenty time people need attention and them not get it, so they seek other way. You know what I mean? Forget it. I don't want to the year and I seek no attention from nobody else, right? So if there's anything riding you, you let me know, right? Just say it to me and make a reason. So if you have a problem, let's talk about it, right?
Okay.
If I'm not performing right, you talk to me about it. Anything the problem I have, we can talk. Because a good relationship work off communication. I realize you have a little temper in you know, like you're temperous. I am a calmer,
Okay.
right? So I want you to be calm, and if there's a problem, we solve it and resolve it.
Listen, there's no problem. I just want to stay present. That's all.
Are you tired? I've been acting it too much at night. You want a week off? You laugh, that make you happy though. If that make you happy, so we talk about them stuff then if that make you happy, because I haven't seen you laugh in quite some time since recently. Getting lonely here? Can your friend over meet your friend then? Maybe she can come at daytime, come cheer you up then, because if you're alone there here.
Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah.
You're quick with the idea there though. Everything else you said no, but you're quick when you say carry your friend over.
Are you such a sit on me?
No, but you're just, you're light that your face was bright up a while ago, Mr. Carry your friend over.
Yeah, but are you such a sit?
Alright. Bring her over.
I'm not asleep. Girl.
Oh, I get to them for meet me.
Alright, me I'll come.
Whatever.
I don't meet my friend.
We know I set up enough, we know the reason why your friend are coming today, but go and figure out, I want to meet her with you.
Oh, what is the reason?
Not myself, man, we know. I know, everything good. Go on and come.
Okay. My son come here.
Okay.
Hello? No, I'm not reach it. Make sure you carry it enough, boy, I like my friend. I'm ready to call you. Hey girl! Welcome there, yes.
Ready to get up?
Yeah, come on.
Hello.
Hello?
So, you was saying you said about me?
Talk a lot about you, you know. Yes, your friend tell me a lot about you, you know. Because I really want to meet you, because they say, show me your friend, I tell you who you are.
What's my name, man?
So, now that I meet you, you look really good, you know.
Thank
So,
you.
hope you're not no bad influence for now, right?
Oh my
Yeah, the
God,
right
bad
thing.
influence.
What is this she's telling me about? You have to keep a party and she to come over.
Well, you know, my boyfriend I keep one party at my house and me say she's my best friend, so I really want to come up and keep me company and stuff, you know.
What kind of party is it though?
One drink out.
Drink out. You know that she cannot drink her it is light, right?
I got her up, man. She see her for me.
I don't care about her back, you know. I care about her front. Right? So I don't want to come up there and nothing wrong up to her. If she go party or drink, I'd like to be there. I mean, unfortunately, the time that I don't have the party and I cannot attend. I have things to do. Right?
Mm-hmm. But she good woman, have her back, she see her.
I'm not sure if she's gonna be able to attend the party yet. I'm not sure yet. So if you come mind, I'll call you or she'll tell you what we say. Alright? We can chill out. But night meet me at night. But nice meeting you. Right?
Nice.
I'm so sorry, I got to leave now. I got to go and do some stuff. So I'm gonna leave you two girls here. Be yourself. Alright? Alright.
You're going to say what to talk, yeah.
Girl in the ear, boyfriend, I said, boyfriend, that shit for Bobby can come up there.
Girl, attack my talk. After me na ask him. I'm my own people now.
So I'm attacking so controlling. Well, I'm taking like anyways. We want to do today. I'll cook her something.
Yeah, come on, cook, yeah.
Alright.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby.
Yo, what on? Well, maybe you don't want to come out tonight now, but I just feel a bad energy, so cause me have my one to sketch up. Me and my girlfriend just sketch up and she gonna want to dance with her friend. Some party we tell her if you no go, but you know them something to go. People want to go do what them a do. You know what I mean? That's why I'm not coming from the work tonight still. What for the rest off? Yeah man, tomorrow we have outing man. Night day though. Come see what time I'm coming tonight. Ah man, everything good man. Not like that man. No, everything good. Yeah man, live tomorrow man. Everything up running. Alright. Bless it. Yeah man, body love. Here you go. Like a babes.
I just want to go to my friend party.
Which party about?
The one I tell about my friend I keep.
But we don't talk about them saying I'm going away.
Me didn't ask you.
Hello. I told you that you're not going to the party.
And I told you I wasn't asking.
Don't you care, right?
Maganda?
You know tonight I went? Alright.
Yeah.
So since I don't want to show you what do we do. But I'm going to do, let's go to the some rest. I'll chill out or something.
Who did I stop
I
you?
think I joke, Tammy. You know, no, you're not serious.
What were you on?
No, put fun and joke aside. You really, I got the party show.
What's your mom with that?
Chella said, calm down.
Listen, what would you want more than me I want? Me I go, I'm here go.
Yeah, somebody meet at the party.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Okay. Say hello for myself.
Come on, go with your thing, man. No. What do you think, man? I don't worry you.
You look like her.
Alright, you good. Alright, so. All I rest here, man.
Okay.
There you want big woman.
You just don't know that?
Alright.
Me not nobody for control me. Oh, I'm a band free. Anyways, if you want food in the microwave, if you want.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less.
Oh, I like
You just come in.
the other
You like a drink enough, you want to sleep and sleep out there.
Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover.
Girl, one thing. I hope me never see you after a party. You just left sanity to tell me. I will carry you home.
It's a girl when you're at that party. I don't even want to, because I'm a friend.
So you really have a hard thing from me? You think you're the best friend?
Girl, do you know what ruin your boyfriend relationship? You best make it more close, honestly.
So what about our relationship? Look how long we are best friend.
Girl. So. Girl, I want to tell you about my new tell honestly. So, one night, when I did, like, I know I did drunk and I don't know where I did it. Like, I did pass out, so I don't really remember, but I know I see your boyfriend, like, he might do things to me I never give him permission to do. And I did, like, I don't know if I did in my senses, but I did just, like, get up and somebody did say more and him take my home, I did say yes. And I never call it because, honestly, I just didn't know if you tell her, you know, your boyfriend, you like him, honestly. So I didn't want to ruin your relationship, so I'm not saying best, him just stay far from him. And a long time you know going on such a long relationship. And for me come as a friend and ruin it, no. I mean I know if you're not gonna believe me. So every time I just, you know.
Kayla, of course I believe you. And you know me hear the other day talk though, boy like you. But I never know say in that the way they. I can't believe this.
Like Tina, girl, me did traumatized, honestly. Like, from a week, me not eat. Like, from the party, me go home, me can't eat. Don't have Marka ask me what to me, and me a lot to get out for me. Like, the poor thing after the day, and I wonder where you do.
Kayla, I'm so sorry that happened to you. I feel a way about the situation because I me take you to your house and this gonna happen to you. I just have a dump in me, man.
Girl, you don't really do that for me?
Of course, love you, you know. Look how long I miss you.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you didn't want me any less.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? This is my cousin just passed out over here. That's a ducky. Hey!
Huh?
I talk to you, man.
Oh, sorry, huh? What are you eating?
You know, some cousin in there, man. We see me
Oh.
passing out this thing, huh? That's a ducky man hiding. So, you know,
Okay.
you good, no?
Yeah, I'm today. I watched something.
Oh, you watch it, man?
Thanks. Another female up here.
So, you go. You need help?
That's funny, man. Yeah, don't do something. Alright.
I was trying to do it. Let's do it now. No, so I think you can see.
Something was in there.
So, I want you for it, man.
Everything alright. But yeah, it's like a turn on side, but everything.
Good. I understand.
Oh. You can empty the same place afterwards.
Oh, okay. There's no dog here. Thank God. What?
Alright, come back. Ooh.
So what's going on in your life?
Me just think it's in the hungry. Why I such a place up?
Just checking, the place.
No, literally, no, literally stop. You see no hungry, man. I'm taking hungry, say no hungry. You just come in the search.
No, but it's a look, it's a person.
I don't like that. I don't like
Keeping
that.
the family good well.
No, I don't. Listen,
Oh, there's a glass. Oh, this is for you.
listen.
Look.
Listen up. Have a listen now, because I really trying to get down off here. Let's go. Come on, sit here.
Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. Hey, hello. Stop. I'm tired. My cousin's not here, so I can sleep.
Hush! Why when me there that things I feel like here?
Why are you putting me like that?
Alright, no, I'm not mistress. Up on.
What kind of stress? What happened to you?
I'm not too want to know.
No, tell me. You can't tell me. Close the door and tell me.
Alright.
So what's the stress? You have money problem. You should have money.
My problem is people have money right now.
What kind of problem?
Like, I'm not really telling nobody because I know I'm not telling your cousin about, like, I'm not know that yet. Like, all them I got my friend party, and like, I did drink and yeah, and I did like, you know, I like Eddie and like our boyfriend, like, inside some things to me where he shouldn't, like.
So, you know what tell my cousin?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Because I never know over to him. Like, he never want me going to the first place and then I'm going in this shit up.
Marvelous. Marvelous. You know how to tell a lie, don't you? I saw you, you know. I was at the party, you know.
Huh?
You're whining, and hug him up well tight, went to the room. You walked to me. And I said, yes, I have to come and check you now. Because
I don't know what you're talking about, honestly.
you remember the day we come look at your dinner?
Listen.
Listen. Now tell me what listen. Because you're in the deep shit right now.
Listen, when
Yeah.
listen, I was light-headed and like, I don't know where I'm going. I know at one point in time I did dance with somebody and then like, I just like later on I just wake up and like, I not have on my clothes and honestly I don't know what about it.
So you know what my cousin was saying now? I want you to tell me all of that. First thing my cousin go look into, you know what station? So that means you enjoy the whole night. You were here moaning and groaning.
Listen,
No, don't tell me even if you can't
Not
deal
even.
with this problem, you know. So yes, if you come out of
because
this problem,
listen, I just said I didn't say I never want.
if you come out of this problem, you have to know, talk to me, you know. Me stay on the side in the meantime. Keep my mouth, you have to give in. And because you won't hear about nothing, you come and laugh and chat up and skin up and yeah, you see me?
Really no.
Hold on, no one nobody here. You see, if we can't get the chance, my cousin have to know. So you did that really know?
Alright, wait. Let's negotiate. Right now, I'm stressed. You see, and stress on top of stress. You know, like, remember, say, for me do what you want, you have to earn some money. And you can't make your cousin find out. Oh boy, I'm stressed.
Mommy, what you talking about? Oh, my name you calling up? Mr. Money. I will help you. I will give you anything, just call me at any time. I want you to bleed me dry. I want you to ring me. I'm beauty like you. Plus, you're slim. I don't really like the thick girls. I will just talk to them for 1 and 2 days, and then after they get extra fat, I just say bye-bye. But I mostly like the slim girl, you know? I don't like the thick one. They're hard to live.
Listen, like, if me do what you want, you know, say some money I figure around. Plus, you can't make your cousin find out.
Now we come to an understanding. And Missy said, yeah, you're a good girl and I want you, but you said you want money. And I understand that every woman needs money. So now you want money. When do we start?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Long time, man. Oh God, man. That's why my cousin can't come here. Whew. Girl, I got it.
Right now I feel guilty.
Guilty? No need for that. All they do, when my cousin come here, you act normal, nice him up, treat him good, everything good, surprise the man. Instead of treat him good, you can't do nothing. So you don't need to feel guilty. Remember, listen, everything good. A man now going to a man enter next man property. All you have to do, I use Blue Bomber and everything good, mama. Okay, you got to see me in the car, I tell her. I feel like me there on the moon, you know I walk. Michael Jackson moonwalk, but me I walk funny. You see me?
So how long I gotta do this for?
Well, I tell you the truth, you know. Until the day I know that my money is done. But for now, it's not going to done, you know. Because I got the money. You know? So, no yourself, man. Just take care of me, give your money here, surprise him, spend upon him. Okay? Because... So you don't need to perfect it, so just do that.
You don't understand, right? No?
You dead in your sleep? You alright? Alright, I'm gonna search your phone and can't find. Come on, check up on yourself, you're alright. Supposed to be something wrong with you. Because you feel sick. You're alright now? You feel warm though? You get a fever?
So,
Alright, so you feel like you're sweating your head though. The fan not work. Look at that AC man, because you can't burn up. Your body feel warm though. I'm coming to take care of you. I'll go up on the work or something and close that. Yeah?
that's all.
Alright, love you.
Oh gosh. Now do this again, that's all. Jesus Christ, how you not see this? Thank you, God, you're good. Listen. You see?
Listen, you better just, right now I feel good.
Mama, you feel guilty, man. As I said, all you do, use blue, mama.
So wait, the one you say?
Cake soap. Anyway, me I go there. Yeah, call me.
I'm going to call him in a number.
363-6916. Just call me, man.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride.
Yeah, good.
Of course, B.
Be with a black box.
This black box.
Yeah.
You really want to know?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen, this black box now. This is where all my life savings, everything I can think of. This is where all my money is. You understand?
What do you want to eat?
Anything I can look what I will eat. You know, we go on the road and eat something after.
Alright.
Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional I'm in a trance, spinning out of control.
Papa,
Mm-hmm.
why you so tired? Where did they?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? You just come in so tired?
Mm-hmm.
Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head. Some days my fear has me frozen. I'm brave and I'm broken. My soul is wide open. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. You got me, baby, I'm your
Brother. Sorry for calling this that was here. You feel say Papa I step out for me. He come in late. Huh? When I don't know more when I phone and I can't go in there now. So can you tell me how to go in there? Alright. So if you a face. Alright, now go do it.
Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. Yes, to love an emotional mess. Yes, you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. To love an emotional mess.
I'm not ready yet, sir.
What's up? What going on?
Where deal with family? Oh, they on the foot, them a go and chatty, but we go to our green chill there. Where are the rest of them now?
When I did that time, you know, say my woman run off with me, me have a black box, and me keep every money. You know what money? The funny 12 million US. The girl gone with everything. Now me have to put on Tom to try to find the girl. Salt, man. Salt, bad man. Salt. Salt.
That's why you have to know the type of woman where you choose and put in your yard, you know. You see, for me, woman is a loyal woman we can live her with everything. And she won't run off with it because it's a girl not cheap. It's a girl where wash and cook and clean. We take her from a man where she beat her. You know what I mean? So, them type of woman, you have to find the woman them, like them the type of woman there. Certain woman I just cat them, then just thief and run. So you have to be careful, you know what I mean? Who you choose, sir. You know you go.
Cousin, you realize where you just said the woman up here are lying, but I'm confident because we go around with them man and he said the reason why me are missing things because me hide too much secret. So me are picked out you right now. Confession good for the soul. You see woman over here, she not loyal. She might not thief, but she not loyal. You see time when she go a party and when they tell her no go, they sleep with that man there. And we catch her and so you know what I tell her? She give me something too. Night after night, she a give me. All the time when they want me run and hide when they see her pass, I'm going to from there so it start. She not loyal. Left her. She's not good. I'm a good woman that.
She do that real? I'm not trying to get too big still, because you know what? We take it from a cousin and carry go my yard. And my cousin say we take it back for me. Just go on, but here now. You will take her now. When we reach back up so, me I put her out, you will take her. Because me take her from a cousin carry go my yard. And if she hear some, me don't bother one night. You will take her because me put her out and go. So, look what she call you, and look what you turn up off your yard. Because me I put her out and go reach up. There are some different things don't have to deal with. As me done with everything down so, the interest of me carry one woman from down so go up. That means when me go up with the next woman, they know so she have to come out. I mean, this time I know, me I go, I want place to part far away from these set of woman who love too much vanity and so much because it's a bling bling girl. I see it on her, you know, she kind of love little gadgets. I go for one girl a country, a farm. So she not go farm food, she go farm food. So anyway, do what you do, man. You enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself.
You know make sense? You tell me to take her. Because she already packed and gone. She called me phone. She gone with the same man when she sleep with Because she said me a general because from a promise her money, me not give her no money. But she don't deserve money. Me a hold her secret and she fi pay me. She are the investor, me are the collector. So she can invest. But nevertheless, we can find a right woman to choose. They say you want to farm food, make sure food share farm. Because if I don't food share farm, you know what that mean.
Yeah, man. But anyway, it's a good lesson. Me learn still. Once a girl cheat, she will never top cheat. Because she cheat with me, she go cheat with you. She go cheat. It's the same man who she go with, she go cheat on him. And I hope that man pop him backside. So anyway, make she go on, because that's better half more than me have to tell her to go. When me I go up, I say I find a girl from country. None of them girls again, because I realize how them stay. You see them one they will love cheat, and just string yard and eat and lazy. Watch out for them, beware of them, because them nothing to... Is a woman there? Because she no love, nothing at all, she lazy, you know. She not to like beard. You understand? She not to like shave. All of my rasta still. The thing says so that you want to shave because it make it smell moldy. You know what I mean? But anyway, make it on. One thing me I tell you, don't do it again. You know what I mean? Because the next cousin no might let her go blink her so freely. I think I love that girl, you know, because I realize we did trust her, but I don't love her. So she can't go on. Everything good, man. Do your thing, man. Me there go and wait for one taxi, because I walk and you know, the vehicle mash up. So I walk, me there on my foot I walk, and one taxi and yeah.
Well, this is the end of the show, people. So, them what to think about this show. Comment, share, leave a like, and tell your friends, tell your family. Because you know, we have enough coming. Because right now, I'm just into the movie world now. I'm done with work because me and my boss kick off. I don't need to tell you what's the details about what happened. But now I'm going to see nothing to movie. So, peace out.